What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do an unboxing, and I got the iPhone 15 Pro Max and a few accessories. I'm still waiting on the case to come in, so once that comes in I'll pop it on and show you guys, but I didn't want to wait for it. I already have the rest of the accessories, so we're just gonna get to unboxing this baby up. Here it is. I got the blue, I think it's titanium blue or blue titanium version of the phone. If you guys have known me for a while or have known this channel or my other channel, I love blue. A lot of my gaming accessories are actually blue. So of course I had to get the blue phone. I got an external battery for it. I got my screen protectors, privacy of course. I got the new headphones. I ordered these on Amazon, but they're the Apple headphones. I don't know why I didn't just get it at the Apple store. And then, as I said, I have a case on the way, which I will show on the screen which one it is. I got the 512 gigabyte version. This does not, with my naked eye, does not look as blue as I thought it was gonna. But I mean, this is just the back. These cameras look way bigger than they do on my iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is what I'm filming on right now. This one right here. Look at these cameras though. To my naked eye, they look a bit bigger than the iPhone 12 cameras do. And I think this is a 48 megapixel. The iPhone 12 is just a 12 megapixel, so that is a big upgrade already. Pop this baby up. Oh, this feels nice. It's already getting, well, not fingerprints, but because my hands are a bit hotter than the phone is. This looks really pretty. Look at that screen. And as usual, I mean, I'm sure you guys who have iPhones know what comes in the box. Actually, I don't think there's anything on this side. But you have your paperwork, your charging cable, which is really nice. I didn't think I was going to get one for whatever reason. And I've been needing a new one because the one for my iPad is kind of crapping out. Now, before I activate it, I do want to first put on my screen protector. This one comes with two, and it is the privacy type of screen protector. I do have a privacy one on my iPhone 12, but based on how the pictures looked for this screen protector, it looks a lot more privacy protected, I guess is the best way to put it. But I will show you guys what the difference is without and with the screen protector. So this is what all comes in this package. Ultra glass package contents, screen protector, installation kit, which is wet wipes, a cleaning cloth, a dust absorber, and a dust removal sticker. I believe in here is all those little bits and pieces, and right here is the actual screen protector. And in here you have, I guess, that thing that you would use to scrape off any excess bubbles that's left behind. This is without the screen protector, just to show you in an angle so we can see what it'll look like when the screen protector is on. Well, that was an interesting installation process. I guess I can just take this off. And again, it comes with two of them, so you can just put that, insert the next one up top if you need to replace it, and use this nifty little tool. So this is with the screen protector on. I don't know what the default brightness is on the phone right now, so I can't confirm that, but just to show you, it is in fact a privacy screen protector. Very nice. Now this guy is an external battery that is magnetic, so you can just attach it to the back of your phone for it to start charging. And the reason I got it is because I'm not the type of person that carries a charger with me everywhere. So I'm like, well, might as well have a backup battery for my phone because it's good to have one of those anyways in case of emergencies. So I got this little guy. I got it in a light blue because again, I'm a fan of blue. And for whatever reason, the blue was a bit, oh my God, I can't, this does not want to come off. Jesus. So I took the plastic off. It took a while. For whatever reason, it didn't want to open. This right here, though, feels really nice. It has like a slight rose petal soft touch finish to it. It is also a fairly thin. It's like 0.45 of an inch as far as thickness goes. And it's about the size of a credit card, too. So it's not going to be super chunky if I use it to charge up my phone. It comes with its own, I believe, USB-C cable to charge it. Yeah, USB-C cable to charge this up. All right, I'm gonna try to activate this already, and then I'll show you guys a side-by-side comparison as far as the video goes and the pictures from the iPhone 15 Pro Max versus the iPhone 12 Pro Max that I'm recording on right now. This video here is on my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I'm just showing a sugar skull that a friend got for me in Mexico, just to show you guys what it looks like to compare it to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is going to come up next. Here's with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is just with the default camera, not the macro camera. And next we're going to show what the macro camera looks like. This is with the macro camera on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And I don't know about you guys, but to me, it kind of makes me think like I'm looking at something in VR. I just feel like my hands look weird compared to the background. Here are both the iPhones on the default camera recording. And I will say I do prefer the colors on the iPhone 12 Pro Max versus the 15, unfortunately. This is just to show the zoom on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is 1x zoom, 2x zoom, and then 5x zoom. That's a big close-up right there. Here are two pictures that I took side by side. The one on the left is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and on the right is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I will say off of my iPad here as I'm recording, I also prefer the iPhone 12 picture. Here's an even more close-up of the pictures. iPhone 12 Pro Max on the left, iPhone 15 Pro Max on the right. And again, off of looking at this on my iPad as I am editing, it looks like the iPhone 15 is over sharpening the image. It might look different on another screen, but to me it just looks too sharpened. So the case finally arrived almost 9 hours later. So this is future me, of course. Here is what the box looks like. A Pro case. Make your stand. I already took it out of the box. It has shock protection. There's a kickstand on it. Anti-scratch resistance. So this is what the case looks like on the phone. Ignore my greasy fingerprints. I got the purple version of the case. They have different colors, but I went with the purple version, which is kind of hard to tell. It does have a kickstand, so you can prop it up like that or prop it up like this. And it also does allow you to use your external batteries to charge it. Let's see. There you go. So it's charging, so it works. Well, that is it for this video, guys. I just want to do a quick, simple unboxing, show you guys some accessories that I got. I will say it did take me a bit to set up the phone and transfer everything. I think it was about 4 hours because I use my phone a lot for editing and things like that. So I have a lot of stuff on there. So that took a bit for me to do. But other than that, honestly, it was not really that bad setting it all up. If you stuck to this part of the video, leave the phone emoji in the comments. That way I know, and I very much appreciate it. Don't forget to like the videos. It helps me out a lot. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!